Hey, Snake.
What does my sister not have that these women have?
Yeah.
Not one, not two, but three.
Baby,
I don't judge her for cheating now. Maybe you're gonna feel good inside. Now she's not confident. She's looking down now. She cannot even look him in the eyes. Back with another video. Welcome to another episode of What Went Wrong in This Relationship, as we learn together what the cheater or couple or the victim player, whatever you want to call it, did wrong.
So I'll tell you, what do you like
about your person?
uyamwana nawe ume kahle awuthiyami and futhi ke umphethe grand uyabona.
When usanda uphathwa grand.
Yeah.
Alright, mama Snake.
So to a man, as long as you look nice and you treat him he's happy. That's what he just said.
Mfethu. Hey, cha ungaqondisa ke goli. Yeah. Snake. Yini oyithanda mfethu ngotawo?
Uyangihlonipha, hlezi ngibeka phambili nje.
So
in this situation, we all expect Sneh to be cheating. We know about Sneh. All of the names, Sneh, Mbali, Palisa, we expect you all to be cheaters, dog.
This relationship, it's baby looking. Another thing, what I want to know from you, what made you choose out of all the girls?
Yeah, tell me, I'm not a specific reason, but begu feeling. We want to and you're like, hi, this is the one.
So,
umuntu wami ngamthemba vele.
Mhlambe futhi wena uthandana naye kuphela akekho omunye umuntu othandana naye noma
hayi uyakuphela lona.
Mama mia njayami mamas wena uthanda yena kuphela or ukhona omunye umuntu mhlambe amsizayo la ku
no ngithanda yena yedwa.
But he has to be lying though. Between the two, someone's lying, guys. Like, it can't be just nobody cheating right now.
Hayi siyabonga sister. So wena siswami uyamthemba utawo?
Yeah, ngiyamthemba akaze anginikeze isizathu ukuthi ngamthembi.
In a scale of 100 mhlawumbe ungathi umthemba kangakanani utawo?
99%.
Wena sister uyayithemba mara
100% yimi.
Mama on the undra, on the on the I'll tell him, do you trust her?
Yeah, I do.
In a scale of 100, maybe you trust her kangakanani?
Nyumkai 150 I'll tell.
150 brother.
Yeah.
Pure. Top it. I top it to the 50.
Trust this guy.
And then when I do trust yourself, brother.
I trust myself.
You trust yourself, man.
I trust myself.
Welcome to the game, brother.
Yeah.
In a scale of 100.
I'll give myself 100.
100.
Yeah.
Bro, I trust you too, you know. I trust you, Sneh.
Yes.
You trust him?
Yeah, I trust him.
Where did we get to the colored accent though? Since when are we talking like coloreds? Haibo.
Join the club. Do you trust him?
I trust him.
Join the club. Do you trust?
Yes, I trust.
Why is he dancing? Look! I told you about Sneh. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I told you about Sneh. Why is Sneh looking below his belt? Look at Sneh right now. My Bruce is dancing right now. Why is Spay? Yo, Sneh looking behind, under. Yo, under his belt. Yo. Let me just continue the video.
Hayi baba ngiyangishaka phakathi abona namhlanje ofethu kumnandi bese ukudlala nani ngicela ukuba umngane wakho.
Nah boy, after my woman looks at you like
this new feature just dropped.
You are a danger, you are a threat to this relationship. Just keep it a buck, bro. Let's see what he says though. Let's see.
Like, can we be bros, you know? I like the vibes, bro. Yeah, man, I like the vibe. Sneh, so I'm pinching songs about group team. Ima putwam. Emnganyo ngithi Sneh.
Yeah, ngamnqawo Thami.
Lele. Endumugaye hakhe mfethu. Mugaya. You will never know. Maybe it's a lost hug.
Oh.
Chayam. Picture, please, bra. Mbambe kanjalo. Wakhe tubula lo picture mfethu. Tubula lo picture.
This is about to end.
Rest in peace, Makado.
This is about to end.
bathi ngifana naye inkabe yami lena mfethu.
Fana naye.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe ungakhipha amaqedwe ya.
Whoever's lying to him needs to stop, dog. This guy doesn't look like Ricky Rick. He needs to chill. He needs to chill, dog.
Kodwa ngiyamthanda mfethu. Yabo. Yazi. Yeah, mfethu. Yabo mfethu.
See,
Ne? Yeah, mfethu ngiyamthanda.
you look again.
Sure, mfethu. It's Snare.
Why is Snare supporting him? Guys, I'm telling you, I'm suspecting Snare, dog. Snare must be the cheater. He's entertaining too many guys right now. He's supposed to be focused on his man and kind of like be reserved since his man is around. But like Snare is actually entertaining this guy.
Mfethu. Mfethu. That's how we don't die, we multiply, yabo.
Multiply.
Manje bafethu ngisengiyandedela nehamba ngiyabonga for isikhathi senu mfethu. Unganithengela ice cream?
Hawu ngayibhaya uThami.
Yeah, ngizobhaya ice cream but kunento esiyenzayo la ithiwa i-loyalty test yabo before sibuy ice cream. Like i-loyalty test it's whereby we switching phones for 60 seconds. Angithi wena awuthami uthi uyamtrust umuntu wakho 100% and wena uthola naye kuphela.
Uthama sidlalele yamafoni leya so eceda siyabonga ngevlog yakho yona.
Yeah. Sister,
Yes.
sishintshane ngamafoni mase ukuthi wena kunika umuntu wakho ifoni yena naye athathe ifoni yakho angithi wena uthawujoli namuntu
Yeah.
yena kuphela and ayikho into oyifihlayo.
Yes.
So wena sister angithi angeke ube nankinga mhlawumbe ukuthi nenza wena no brothers couple
Why?
switching
Uthama
phones.
siyachange amafoni.
Anginankinga mina.
Yeah.
Baby asiyenze lento
Ah,
lezo hayi.
wabuti.
Hawu, ayikho vele into esifihla ngithi.
Why kufanele sichange amafoni?
Angithi
This is a sign, guys. When he doesn't want his phone, this is a sign now.
yikho into enifihlayo.
Yeah, hasifihle mare mawufuna ifoni nami ongasho sendlini.
Awu.
Hawu. Phela ngaze ngicabange
Yeah.
unginikeza.
Manje ngoba ufihli lutho.
Hayi awuthami.
Hayi.
Nami lena.
Come on, siyaza.
That's fake laugh, dog. That's a laugh of being nervous.
Yeah, mafethu. Hayi wozana hey kashisa la ilanga sine.
Asidlale amafoni singenza noma yini ongazibuza ama question ayina flop mara yamafoni wethu hayi. Asingeni leyo.
Ngiyami phone angayithatha.
So sine how do you feel mfethu ukubona umjida wakho uthi uba grumpy manje mase kuyindaba yamafoni kaDuthi wena uyamthemba 99%. Njengoba usumbona manje esegoloza nefoni.
Eish.
Phone.
He just started an argument. Angazi noma you guys are seeing this. Are you guys seeing this? We have a Tabanisa now. He's making them fight. Igege manje.
Unikeza ama doubt.
Ama-doubt one baby.
Ngathi khona okufihlayo mas.
Angifihle lutho inkinga yami ukuthi yabona ama-camera manje sifanele sikhiphe amafoni like ayi.
Akho nkinga ukhipha iphone.
No. Hayi.
Yeah, ilethe nekho sine. Sibe simbona.
Baby uyafuna ukuyenza lento lena.
Yeah.
Forward.
Wena wayi unqaba.
Forward.
Hawu, siyathembana
She
ngithi.
just said yes to getting her heart broken.
And niyathandana.
Siyathembana yebo sijola si2 manje wasifaka abantu ama-camera.
Anifaki umuntu. Niyenza no-2 lento.
Ngisaringa nomedema uThami.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what we needed, ngiyabonga.
Ngalokho ukhuluma into eziningi. Uze sizohamba.
Iyeke lezi zinto zamafoni usambe.
Oh, shuthi
Soba
khona
late.
okufihlayo. Shuthi khona okufihlayo.
Ukhona.
Awukwazi ukuyenza lonto lethi phone.
Oh.
Hey nepetri yami low ya.
Ikhona i-charger sine power bank.
No, ngisho ukuthi ngizo request kanjani manje.
Sine sokurequestela.
Guys, I don't even know how to feel about this right now because the way she even took out her phone is like, okay, fine, keep your phone. I want your phone right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, although the brother's saying no, we know that the brother's a suspect right now, right? But like the way she just took out their phone, she means business, dog. She's been wanting to check this phone now. She wants it now. She
Ndaba
wants it.
mfethu vusi. Kanti indaba uthami mfethu.
No, Thamela kangizwisisi mina lento le ifoni endoda ebambe uyazi nawe mama.
Hawu kahle.
Sikhulumile lento le ekuqaleni.
Yini ayikwenza ukuthi
ifoni yami ifoni wakho.
Why?
Manje sobona abantu uya change.
Hawa siyadlala mos.
Yeah, siyidlalela manje. Sidlala izindlu.
Phone private so Thami yabana nyenza ibusiness ngale phone.
Angeke singene kwi-business songena kule sidingayo. Sister, woza ngala siningi ngoba lo ngiyakwazi ukumove. Musa ngicela ume la. Umzali uyashake ngithi.
Thami uyazi bengithi uyayithe grand.
Ngiyawuthe sharp mina. Asimele ngala ithunzini futhi singashiswa ilanga.
There was this large fight when he says, "I thought you were a good guy."
Ngiyawuthe sharp mina. Asimele ngala ithunzini futhi singashiswa ilanga. Haw. Yeah. Wakhe
Thusha ivlog lana.
ivlog lena
Manje uthatha amafoni wethu hayi.
Oh.
Hayi. Utaka. Kyo tepile soba.
Unsepa jwang. How?
Man, you cannot be doing this, especially in front of your girlfriend, dog. Now he's playing the victim card. He's taking our phones and everything. Relax, dog. If you don't want, just say no. No, give your phone. Pill it up.
Utaka. Kyo tepile soba.
Unsepa jwang. How? Unsepa jwang. Unsepa jwang brayag. Yeah. How? Unsepa jwang.
Utaka.
Hayi. Wena awuthami wena yini lo ifihlayo kanti?
No, ngifihlo baby. Ukuthi lo angiunderstand why kufanele change amafoni ngoba lo mjida lo sho njalo.
Okay, nikeza ifoni ke.
Yeah, usenginikile sister. Yawe siningi ngicabanga uqala ngawe.
All right.
Ngiqala ngiyakho. Awunankinga ngithi?
No.
Yeah, ngiyakuthemba futhi mina wena sine. Si-check wena awuthami phona sine yabo.
But Snare might just disappoint us.
Jayami. Angilwi nawe.
Kanye sandla.
Hayi, we out a grand angithi
Snare might
kwamele
just
phula.
disappoint us. Nobody's expecting this, but Snare might just disappoint us, guys.
Thank you mamas. Thank you my baby. Musukta buka sekujaha wena kuqala manje ya yiwo lo WhatsApp. Cela ungimele lapho. All right guys, my name is King.
The fact that he rushed.
Jaha wena kuqala
The
manje.
fact that he rushed, we know that in his mind, phones have very naughty things. He wants to find the naughty things as soon as possible. So I think he might be cheating, but we're gonna find out.
Yiwo lo WhatsApp. Cela
What do you
ungimele
guys
lapho.
think, though?
All right guys, my name is King Ginger and we are on WhatsApp right now and we are about to type the Chandis. Tapa la put I love you. Sister wena umuhlanje lapha simephethe. Abakushayeli.
How? Angimaniki na.
Tapa love you lapha makuvela igama lakho ungitshele awuthami. Makuvela igama lenye lesinye sniper ungitshele. Please, let's move.
Akuvela igama lami vela nale olate lakhe.
Phuma lapho. Type uthi I miss you. Ufake iheart above.
Yes.
Hawu lamajita futhi ayakurelaxela nje mfethu nje.
No, angibanikeza ama numbers wami.
Good.
Nani lo Thami yimi lana.
Phuma lapho.
Nefamily.
Type uthi sex. Delete lapho. Unokuyicela sex kuwena babazi.
Yo.
Okay. Delete lapho.
Can you guys look at how Snare's looking at
Unokuyicela
him?
sex kuwena.
Can we look at how Snare's looking at him, bro? Tell me this is not flirting. Please, just tell me in the comment section this is not flirting right now.
Babazi.
Yo.
Okay, kumele kuvele yona ke le nkabi le.
Sikhaphuli.
Nikhaphule.
Yes, khuluma ngayo yonke into.
Sex baba, sex. Nice.
Sekuvela mina kuphela uThami.
Shit. Wena lo mntana lona wena manje lo mntana shoot serious. Umkhasa ngepipe all that.
Manela uThami, kumanela.
Hey, umkhasa ngepipe. Uyayidinga lewe. But it's nice to see a relationship that they enjoy each other because what is very important also we need to enjoy also the moment, we need to enjoy each other's company. Yeah, it's all learned about.
So uThami umuntu bekafuna ukuchange amafoni akunalutho
asikaqedi. Awuthami relax asikaqedi. Delete lapha. Faka i-emoji le yebrinjolo. Ufaka i-emoji yempentshisi, ufaka i-emoji yalamanzi lawa impophoma.
Was that funny, guys? Was that funny? Like, I didn't even laugh. Did you guys laugh at that? Hold on.
What?
I put that to control.
Okay.
Nikhuluma ngazo nina.
Snare might be cheating. Like me, I'm getting cheater vibes. High key. I already profiled Snare as a cheater already. Now she's proving me right now.
Yeah.
Communicate ngaza. The brinjolo.
Hayi uThami lo mngani wakhe icheke nyamazi lo phela.
Ukangile usitote vele.
Take off the glasses, my brother. It would be easy to see the phone. It would be easy to see the phone.
All right nje.
Iklap isitote.
Okay, let's see. But Snare's phone needs to be thoroughly checked. Like we need to make sure, guys, that right now Snare is not cheating. Because my brother might be playing there, that glasses might be making him blind, not see the phone properly, and he's gonna miss a couple of names. We need to make sure they're with the Snare.
Phuma lapha uThami type lapha uthi come outside.
Come out ne.
Yeah.
Hey man.
Sibona uthi awusine.
Awungiloya.
Awuloya. And ugcwele ngale champion.
Akuvela mina.
Sita umfethu. Lefu una Facebook.
Can we please
Type lapha delete lapha uthi I'm pregnant.
Awena.
Oho. Angisha khona. Ishazo nangqone.
Lutho Nkosiyami.
My brother, I'm teaching you as no one taught you before. Yes. Ashekwe phone toto. Akho lutho
This is a
mina.
bad influence
Nalutho
right now.
Themba.
Phuma lapha na Facebook ngithi.
No,
Instagram
You
now
will
no.
cough blood. You check your phone at home. I'm telling you, you will cough blood.
no what's happened.
You will cough blood.
Siyabonga sis. And uqhubeka intombazana ungabe uthathekile lezo.
Mina ngathanya umthanda uThemba.
Iya lapha kuma dialed ubheka ukuthi iyiphi number edayile kaningi. Or a phone too much. Ziyabhala lapha ukuthi 32. Khona lo mgulukudu ozoloku efona njalo awusadle. Ngeke wenze
Now
lutho
she's looking
zami.
down. Now
Le
she's not
mgulukudu
confident.
ozoloku efona
Now she's not confident. She's looking down now. She cannot even look him in the eyes.
njalo awusadle. Ngeke wenze lutho zami. Lento shuthi yafika kumina yazi abantu abayahlala beyibuza ukuthi ngaqala kanjani yafika kumina ngephupho.
Oh.
Hawu Themba yimi futhi kuma-dialed.
How do you feel first? Ukuthi umuntu wakho afake isikhwama.
Mara ngikutshelile ukuthi ngiyamthemba musa umuntu wami.
Yeah, nami ngiyakuthemba futhi wena awusami.
Yeah, so sesiqedile nomama uye bekafuna exchange amafoni so singavaya musa Themba because seshawe isikhathi uyabona.
Kanjani mfethu ngoba manje kumele sicheke yakho nje. Vusi.
Yeah, that's what we need right now.
Yeah,
See the
the dog
silence.
ends up-
The silence explained everything. The silence just said everything, dog.
Manje yini? Njayami.
It's going down.
Ngivula le phone.
Yeah,
Or
Themba ngicela sitshaye ngesikhathi la
Yeah.
ngoba esijahile uyabona.
awuthami hey da.
Trying, guys.
Ngizokukitaza. Yazi ngizokwenzani? Ngizothatha ukuvula amakhwapha ngikitaze.
That's
Yes.
a big ghetto if you think about it. But like, cool.
Yeah.
Cool,
Ngeke
man.
ngibe nawe.
You do you.
Ngizobe ngithi nje umusa akubambe la, ngithi uvusa akubamba kuvule kanje. Ngikitaze, uhleke uzuchame. Vula le phone le.
Ngoba uvane egwoko
Yeah. That's why ngibaya nabo. Yeah. Nice one.
na flop out Themba nami ngizokuthola one day.
Ngeke. Wachusetsa. WhatsApp la nje nawo. Siswami ngabsatatazela. Ngena.
Alright.
Ngena. Umela ku search. All right guys, we are on WhatsApp right now and we are about
Type.
so type that Chandis. Type lapho uthi I love you. Uthukeleni awuthami.
Angithokanga uThemba hey angizothini ngoba uze negwaka iyo uThemba.
Hayi ukuthi nawe ngathi uyaphenika sister makuvela wena ungitshele makuvela emunye manje machero ngafrostane ra ungilandise futhi khona sivukuza. Fihle skipper ska Ricky usuzongiphoxa manje. Ricky wathi asibe strong man.
Umphoqayo uThemba.
Na ngeke ngimphoxe uMakhato.
Ngisho ukuthi wena uphoqa mina noMakhado ngalezi zinto ozenza.
Na unamanga yabona ke mfethu
Guys,
umuntu ufaka
my
uRicky
brother's fighting now. He's throwing shots.
ikike kulento kukhulumani. How nangi lona.
Siyavela la siba 3.
Shit.
Yeah.
Not one, not two, but three. Three.
But somunye usiswa
STD. Ha.
wakhe ke lo nyama
Hlehla.
uma wakhe. Hey, angimazi.
He's definitely gonna catch
Fundele
that, I'm telling
liga.
you.
Sister indaba mfethu.
Fundo.
Indaba mfethu ubona mfethu lo uthanda amazulu lo. Wena urata amazulu.
No, awuthami.
Ngena kunomfundo.
Okay, what does my sister not have that these women have?
Hayibo.
Baby unomfundo mntwana yini musi?
Ayi.
Yeah, but why kuno I love you kunama
Ayi indlela ngani.
kunezithombe.
Umntana kubo kanjani? Umntana kubo kanjani? Sokumntana kini manje wena lo? Sokumntana kini lo?
Cousin yami ngosileni.
Yo.
Oh.
Why phone isendelana izithombe nama message
Oh
anje?
shit.
Tshele baby. Awuthami
Awuthi sister awuthi.
Why?
No baby ithi ngiyokuchazela like lento lena bengi lo
Oh no, he's trying to lie. He's trying to lie right now. He's trying to lie right now. The lie's not even coming.
Uthini?
No awuthama
Manje
ungisakela
ngisendelana
nomethema
izithombe.
uyabona.
Ngijwayela kabi.
Hey,
Snake.
what if she doesn't even send photos to him, dog? Why? Relax. Let's understand this guy. Why is he doing this right now?
Snake.
Awungijwayela
No,
kabi.
lo mntana lo
Nomfundo.
besi plan surprise for wena ngithi for Valentine.
Uyothi nisendelana amakhekhe.
Surprise ukuthi ngiyavakashelana nini? Kanjani?
Yeah,
Search la, search.
Yeah, we want to know what it
Work today.
Or he was planning. Oh no, his geese starts running away now. This geese starts running away, boy. I don't have the time to be chasing English right now.
Search la, search. Type put Ima wo. Search la. Type put sex.
Uyabona uthama.
So do you think? Wait, as women right
Type put
now,
Ima wo.
do you think once you beat your man for cheating, right? Is things gonna be fixed? Maybe you're gonna feel good inside, but like, is it gonna fix the relationship? Is it gonna better things right now? Let's just think about it, bro.
Search la. Type uthi sex.
Uyabona uthami.
One
Uyabona
nomfundo.
into benyukutshela ngayo.
Type lapha uthi sex.
And this guy
Uyabona?
wants to-
Yip leyo.
Uyabona
Yip.
ngikutshelile musa uthami. Ngikutshelile ukuthi uyiyeke le dayile nyakho.
Yeyona mfethu yeyona musu lokungigolozela wena.
Wow.
Uzwenzana
Ngokuqhumuza mina mfana wami.
Brother ngicela unyeke.
Lalela ebafethu emusa yabo bafethu namhlanje ngizocela ukuthi nenze show this is not about me phendula indaba zakho la kuvela ba lapha ngokushaya wena ngokushaya wena ngokushaya mina nawe sobhekana kanje ithi siqale siqede lento ngifuna ukukushaya masiqede ithi ngiqale ngidile nalento yakho ngokushaya I will give you an opportunity
Ngicela ukukhuluma no
uthini why kunomfundo kuvela usex
Okay, right now he wants to manipulate her via talking. We all know that.
Ela baby.
Cousin wami.
No.
unomfundo kazi nakho wapi
Yes.
Uyabona baby.
msile nina
It's not like that.
it's like what
Lento lena
it's like what come here what
Ithinye asambe
Niyaphi wena sister usazohamba nalo
Ungijwayela kabi wena ngitshela ukuthi unomfundo uthandana naye.
yeah
You know that the way she's talking right now is kind of crazy. The way she's talking, like she lost all disrespect, which is understandable. But what if she's been talking like this to him the whole time? Every time they argue, she gets so aggressive. She probably even cusses. Who knows? Who knows?
Endlini
Uqale nini okay
ungabizi nomfundo.
asambe ngizokuchazela
Indaba uhamba nami
baby.
ungabizi.
at least benisebenzisa icondom wena nomfundo vethu
Baby asambe ngizokuchazela masifike endlini uyeke lo mjida lona.
icondom vethu
Endlini.
You see?
Yazweni ukuthi awungiboni.
You see what I mean? You see what I mean? During arguments, she just gets heightened, dog.
na
She gets
sne
heightened.
Akangiboni lo.
sne type lapha asikaqedi
She treats him like a little baby. This is not mature anymore. She's just treating him like a little baby. You are below me, brother. Just know that right now. That's what we're getting.
Wena uthami.
Wena. dila nawe show namhlanje faka i-emoji lapha ebrinjolo ufaka impentshisi ufaka nalamanzi impophoma lawathi ngithe
Bra Musa bra mithinye ukutshela something. Cela unyeke bra wami.
miyekeni ngifuna ukumgqubuza lo
Sekuvela no refill weke manje ngingamazi.
Where's for?
Uthi
Okay, unomfundo no refill.
njani
Uyamazi musu refill.
kanti wena indaba
Sendelana izinto ezinje ukuthi ngiyamazi.
kanti indaba wena udla abangani balo sisi lona indaba udla abangani bafunewe
Umkani wakhe uthami sihlala kwi complex A1 no refill.
manje wena ubadla kanjani abantu abaziyo
Amudli awuthameleke lento lena.
It's literally bad friends.
Baby ngicela isikhulume siyi-2
Bad friends.
siyeke la.
Abanganje ababhedayo.
ukwaze lapho ukhuluma wena
As a friend, you should say no to your friends, man. Like, hi, thank you, and tell your friend clearly that's what's supposed to be done.
yeah
Anginandaba ke nabo refill nomfundo cousin yami.
Wena majuta babasiko.
bulela ge riba mametsi
No, vaya uthamere tla re nga re le itshumo.
jwang phela
Njala nawe re ngjola
Baby,
nala majuta.
ubiza mina umuthi baby.
Hawu.
Usho kumina.
emuna awuthaka phela
Uyeke
He doesn't say it to you, he's gonna say it to your friend. Let's be honest. Let's just be
na
honest.
bayo gaslight la majuta la.
gaslight explain ake
Ngonomfundo nje.
Baby ngithi asambe ngizokuchazela.
niyaphi what if uyamgoqa lapha endlini
Sasambe ngicela ungitshele ngonomfundo.
mtshele
Baby kunomfundo uyakhumbula lesikhathi ngiza kuwe ongafuni ukuphuma.
ila wamudla khona
Bese waphuma lo mntwana kini loya. Khona lapho yaqala but yaba into ye once off
Waqala ngakutshela ukuthi ngilinde. Singiyeza.
uyamalinda lapha ungafiki mos.
Kodwa ngangizwa.
Wait. Waiting an hour doesn't mean you need to cheat though.
Baba ngikwazi ukuphuma noma kanjani.
mara yena waphuma lo mntana wakubo
Yeah.
Oh, shuthi wathi ungangitholi mina wasutshela unomfundo ukuthi akaphume yena.
Azange ngimtshela usiphumele yena waza lapha ngathi akubize wantshela idoki lapho bese wangikhapha khona from da.
So kwasuka lapho nathandana ke ekhaphaneni
Bese
emgaqweni.
ngathangidani baby be into once off ngoba nawe angithi be actor yazi bekwenzakalana around that time.
Anithandani kodwa
He gaslight le. She was acting. Wait. Bega actor enzani.
Be into once off ngoba nawe angithi be actor yazi bekwenzakalana around that
anithandani
time.
kodwa manuthi ithombe umuntu
Uyonsendelayo musi. Uyonsendelayo
Ngoba kusukela nje ukusendela ungasho lutho.
Ngamtshela ukuthi aphume kimi wathi mina uzokutshela.
sister ungamlalela umthetho u-strong
Manga.
u-strong lo wakhe
Wabisho wena uDodo yinja msunu ujoyela.
I told you. I could
Tired
tell.
of old school
though.
marketing.
I could tell, guys. I'm telling you. I could tell. Didn't I say this? Didn't I say that she probably cusses during arguments? I told you, bro. That's probably why he doesn't even love her like that anymore. It's probably just lust at this point, because the love is crazy, dog. Like the moment the person you love starts hurting you, to the manner that the person treats you like someone that's lower than them and starts cussing to you like a dog. starts cussing to you like a dog. It's a different feeling, guys. High key.
Baby,
I don't judge him for cheating now. Honestly speaking, he doesn't get the proper treatment. Even though it's an argument, you should be mature though. This is the person you say you love. So why are you cussing at them?
baby.
Hey, you strong out there. Hey, when you're hey, when you strong when. What's that?
Don't beat him though. Don't beat him. Don't.
Drop kick.
Don't.
What's that when? Eh? Indaba ufuna
Ngicela ngicela utshelele igwaka zakho zinyeke.
and then umusu yapi? Umusu uza kumina.
Awuthami okay Brian
Okay.
ukulanda umedeme la.
Im. Sister, ufuna ukuhamba naye lo?
She's already
Awumfuni.
left, brother. Why you just
Asale,
make
ne?
it matters worse? She already
Yebo.
left. Let her go.
Awuthami. Hayi.
Awuthami since wena uyi-spokesperson sami wena.
Awuthami.
Uyi-spokesperson sami awuthami.
Awuthami wena kahle ubufuna ngikushaye vela ngithi.
Uzongishaya ithi igwaka zinyeke nalo yena relo awuthami.
Wena limang, 2 men limang.
Yeah, man to man.
Awuthaka nakile ka Mura but by 5.
Ah, man. He's lying. He's never beat any 5 men here.
Fire ke awuthami
Me-
sohlangana
Nini?
one day.
Yeah, mqokuseni kahle afihla uRikirik akakwazi ukuyibona yonke lento esiyenzayo. Mqokuseni kahle.
Awuthami ngiyeke.
Oka kahle ngaveza umakhado wena.
Wena awuthami.
Wena wenzani bheka manje yini? Kushaya wena. Hamba.
Get a rock, my brother.
Sorry.
It's only fair. Get a rock. It's only
Awuthami
fair.
mina bengithi ngizama ukukusiza
Only
mfethu.
fair.
Ukuba ubu honest wena kulomntana sorry.
Cela ujike nama-camera akho.
Yeah mara
Guys, we can clearly tell what happened here. The cheater got caught, but we don't blame the cheater for cheating in this instance. Let's be honest, bro. Like she was clearly not treating him and giving him what he deserves, bro. As a human being, he probably gets treated like a dog in arguments. And now I don't know how he acts during arguments, but seeing this right now, he was calm because he's in the wrong and tries to manipulate. We clearly saw that. But it's calm, bro. We saw everything that went wrong in this relationship. Hopefully you also learned something by watching this right now with me. And we're chilling together watching this, bro. See you guys in the next episode. Thank you for tuning in. Peace out. What went wrong? Episode 1, baby. Let's kick it.